So, my topic is Internet Mail Architecture. To understand the operation of domain key identified mail, it is necessary to understand the basic concept of Internet Mail Architecture, which is currently defined in RFC 5598. Domain keys identified mail is a specification for cryptographically signing email messages. The Internet Mail Architecture consists of two main components, that is a message user agent and message handling services. Message user agent represents the user world and message handling services represents the transfer world. The MHS is composed of many message transfer agents. The MHS accepts a message from one user and delivers it to one or more other users, creating a virtual MUA to MUA exchange environment. The block diagram illustrates the key components of Internet Mail Architecture, which includes the following. This is the message user agent. It operates on behalf of user actors and user applications. Here, Alice is the sender, uh, and she wants to send a message to Bob. Alice's message user agent formats the message and performs the initial submission into the MHS via a MSA. This is the MHS, and Alice's message user agent performs initial submission to the MSA. Bob's message user agent, that is here, processes the received mail and stores the mail or displays the message to Bob. Next, we have the mail submission agent. While sending a mail, there will be some policies or standards that must be enforced. MSA accepts the message submitted by the MUA and enforces the policies of the hosting domain and the requirements of the Internet standards. Next is the message transfer agent. It consists of IP routers and its job is to bring the message closer to the receiver. Message passes through the sequence of MTAs until it reaches the receiver. Next is the mail delivery agent. It is responsible for transferring the message from the MHS to the MS. Next is the message store. An MS can be located on a message store can be located on a remote server or on the same machine as the MUA. It can be used to store the message temporarily. These are the same points. Contains a little more information. The message user agent operates on behalf of the user actors and the user applications. It is housed on the user's computer and refers to the client email program or a local network email server. The author MUA formats a message and performs initial submission into the MHS via MSA. The recipient MUA processes received mail for storage and displays to the recipient user. Mail submission agent accepts the message submitted by an MUA and enforces the policies of the hosting domain and the requirements of the Internet standards. The simple mail transfer protocol is used between the MUA and the MSA. Message transfer agent relays mail for one application level hop. It is like an IP packet switch or an IP router, and its job is to make routing assessments and to move the message closer to the recipient. Relaying is performed by a sequence of MTAs until the message reaches a destination MDA. SMTP is used between an MTA and an MSA or MDA. The protocol used here is SMTP, and here the protocol that is used for the transfer is IMAP or post office protocol. Then mail delivery agent responsible for transferring the message from the MHS to the MS. Then message store, an MUA can employ a long-term MS. An MS can be located and on a remote server or on the same machine as the MUA. Typically, an MUA retrieves message from a remote server using Post Office Protocol or IMAP, that is Internet Message Access Protocol. That's all. Thank you.